roof for 3 days straight. The water kept rising up on us, and my brother, he wasn't tall enough to stand in the water, so he had to get up on the roof.
It's raining pretty hard, but we were able to get here so she can relieve the people that are working.
That's my baby right there. I love her.
I wanted to go out and help, so it's the least I can do, just bring laundry detergent.
This is awesome chaos.